Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Website Boy from the websiteboy.com and the websiteboy.com school. Today, we're going to be learning the structure of an HTML document. First of all, we're going to start here with a blank HTML document. I'm going to explain each tag and how they relate to one another. First of all, the doc type. This is the first line of any HTML document. And on versions before this one, because this is the version 5, HTML5, we had a whole bunch of information, a whole bunch of attributes to this tag, but we don't need this anymore. And maybe when you're watching this video, it's going to be a later version of HTML. Hopefully, we keep improving. If you don't know what HTML is, basically HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, it makes possible for various computers to communicate with each other. These computers may be on different networks in different countries, different platforms, different operating system, desktop, mobiles, tablets, or whatever. HTML is the most common language in the world for web. Okay, and it makes everything possible basically. And like I said before, and basically was created to link pages of the web. And the guy that invented the language, his name was Tim Berners. He was a British scientist, very smart guy. He's actually the director of the World Wide Web Consortium. Okay, let me see if I spell that right. World Wide Web Consortium. Okay, which basically oversees the web development thing happening right now around the world. But anyways, coming back to the HTML structure, the doc type tag right here represents the document type. It's saying this one is saying that this is an HTML5 document, and the next tag after this is the HTML. This is the beginning basically of this HTML document. Everything inside here, this is what they call the DOM tree. Okay, and the DOM tree has many different elements inside of that. One of the first elements is the head tag, and inside this head tag the contents include a meta tag, a title, or if you have any CSS, it will be here. Okay, like whatever, it usually is like this, that's CSS, and this would be a CSS file which would be attached to this HTML, and it will this is another video by the way, but CSS is basically to style your HTML. After this, you will have a body element and whatever other elements you got. It could be a p tag or element, h1, h2, h3, h4. There are many different tags on HTML, but this is the most common ones. Okay, an HTML document, also a tag. Let me just start with a tag. A tag has a beginning and an end. First of all, if you start, let's say you want to write an h1 tag. An h1 tag has a beginning, which consists of a left angle bracket and a right angle bracket, and it ends with a left angle bracket with a little dash here, a little forward slash, whatever you want to call it, right? And that's the difference between a beginning end a tag and an end tag is, or a closing tag, is this little slash here. This is for an end tag, okay, or closing tag. So that's the difference. And you always have to, when you start a tag, always have to end it. You have to close it. If not, your code won't show. Some browsers might show the tag because they know that you mean to end it, but some browsers might not. So it's always smart to do it anyways. Make sure that you always do it. Make sure you always write this too, because some browsers might not show your code properly if you don't type this exactly like it is. Some require you to do it like this, doc type. Okay, make sure all capital letters and lowercase HTML here. Okay, so that's basically the structure of an HTML document. And there is a whole bunch of more little details, but I don't want to go into that. I just want to show you HTML and how to learn it as fast as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, make a comment. I'll be here to help all the time. It does take me a little bit to answer, so make sure you subscribe to look at my new videos. get updated by email automatically every time I upload something to YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.